Welcome back to Rachel Be the Healthy We. To continue our summer series, we are going to make a sorbet today. And naturally occurring, the sorbet can be vegan pretty easily, or you can use regular milk. So with this particular recipe, you're going to use 3 cups of fruit and 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. That can be coconut sweetened condensed milk, making it vegan, or a keto version, which I have a recipe on at rachelbethehealthywe.com. So check that out if you need to know how to make that, or regular, whatever your diet approves. I'm going to be doing a Pina Colada version today. So we're going to be doing 2 cups of pineapple and 1 cup of banana. The banana shouldn't really be something that comes through taste wise, but it really adds a nice creaminess to the mixture. So we're going to put that in, and apparently my stuff was leaking. So let's put in our coconut milk sweetened condensed. And then since we are doing a pina colada version, we are going to add some coconut extract and some vanilla extract. You can also add vanilla extract if you'd like for an extra little flavor in the background. Little 1/4 teaspoon of any flavor that you may do. And again, any frozen fruit with the basic recipe, which is 1/4 cup of the sweetened condensed and 3 cups of any frozen fruit. Now we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of the coconut extract. We can always add more if we taste it and we want a little bit more coconut flavor. And then I'm going to add 1 packet of true lime. It's just dehydrated lime crystals for a little citrus in the background. Then we're going to use a food processor. This is going to be just like the other ones that I've shown you in the past, food processor and or high-speed blender. Let's get going. Alright, so you're going to blend it until it's smooth, and you can already just pull it out and eat it, as you can see, or you can put it in the freezer and save it for later. Either way, we're going to let my husband do a little taste test. I gotta say, it is sweet and it does not taste like sorbet. It just tastes like ice cream. So
more, please.
It's really good.
The lime really helps.
Yeah, the little bit of lime in there really does help give you that citrus background, so it's not just like mega sweet, but really yummy. And again, 3 cups of frozen fruit, a 1/4 cup of any sweetened condensed milk you want, whether it's keto friendly or vegan friendly, and you're set with your sorbet. So sky's the limit with all kinds of flavor combinations. But like I said, I would recommend 2 cups of fruit and 1 cup of banana if you want this nice creamy texture to it. Hope you guys give this a try and continue to watch our summer series as we go along. And thanks for watching.